Hi, welcome back to my video. So today's video is about what coupons I received in my inserts for today, Sunday, March 1st. So I'm just going to go through some coupons that I'm going to take into the Dollar Tree this week. I know I didn't do a Dollar Tree haul last week, but don't worry. This week I'm going to do a trick off Tuesday on Tuesday, so make sure you stay tuned to that. And another thing, I check my analytics and about 80% of my viewers are not subscribed. I am so sad about this. So right now, if you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button. My channel shows you how to save money, honey. So hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel right now. I'm going to wait for you. All right, let's get started on the coupons that I'm going to use at the Dollar Tree this week. All right, so we're going to start with the first one, which is the Retail Me Not. The Retail Me Not, Beauty Retail Me Not. I love this insert because I take most of these coupons and this insert are going to be taken to CVS. And I usually get free makeup from CVS with most of these coupons. So these are really not the Dollar Tree worthy coupons, but I'm going to go through it really quick so you can see what's in here. Again, these coupons really don't serve purpose at Dollar Tree. Every now and then I might run into something that I can use these coupons on, but for the most part, nah. I take these coupons to CVS. They really don't have any name brand makeup at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna run through them. I am doing a CVS haul this week. Stay tuned to that. I'm back at CVS. I can't wait. I love couponing at CVS. So stay tuned for my CVS haul. I actually was able to use this Garnier Fructis coupon at Dollar Tree last time I couponed there. They had some masks and I used that coupon and made them free. Whole blends, I've never used that coupon. They do have the little ones and it excludes that, so I never used that coupon. Maybelline, I never seen a Maybelline there. None of those products. Nope. Boost. Nope. Alright, so that's the end of the Retail Me Not. The next one we're going to look at is the Smart Source. Now, the Smart Source has some great coupons in it this week to get you free items off of some products this week. So the first one will be this, the first one that I usually use is this $1 off any Jergens moisturizer. I used this coupon before. I used that on the hand soap. They have a Jergens moisturizer hand soap. That's what I use this $1 coupon on. I can't remember if it scans. I'm sorry, but it'll be free with that coupon if you have that. I actually love that hand soap from Dollar Tree. It lathers up quick. And again, your hands aren't dried out from putting hand wash on. So that Jergens moisturizer I get free using that coupon. Yoplait. Sometimes they have Yoplait at my Dollar Tree. I'll use that. Alright, here's the Airborne coupon. I haven't seen Airborne in a while, but if you still have that at your Dollar Tree, it'll be free with that coupon. I'm definitely taking these Johnson & Johnson's coupons to CVS this week, so stay tuned to that haul. I haven't seen Johnson & Johnson's in the Dollar Tree. So let's see what these coupons say. Alright, so let me see. On one Clorox spray bathroom product, I haven't seen that. On one Clorox laundry product. So actually, the Dollar Tree sells bottles of Clorox. So you can use this coupon to get the Clorox for 50 cents. It says 50 cents off any one laundry products, and it includes Clorox. So if you use that coupon, the Clorox will be 50 cents. I haven't seen Liquid Plumber there. Pine Sol is 40 ounces or larger. They sell Scentiva, Clorox Scentiva wipes at the Dollar Tree. So if you use this coupon, it'll be 50 cents. So if your Dollar Tree sells that, that'll be 50 cents with that coupon right there. 35 a count. They don't have any larger ones. Okay, so that's it for the Smart Source. The next one I'll be going through is the Smart Source number 2. This Babe Ruth is buy one, get one free. Now, I don't know the ounces on the Babe Ruth bars at the Dollar Tree, but I'll check when I get there and see if that works with that coupon. And that'll give you buy one, get one free. So, well, both bars will be, pay $1 for 2. Pay $1 for 2. Let me see. Yep, pay $1 for 2. All right, this coupon is for anyone. They sell these actually at the Dollar Tree. These mini bags, and it has no restrictions on it. So this would be free candy at the Dollar Tree this week. So if you use this coupon on these fun size mini bags, it'll be free. So make sure you stock up on your free candy this week. Tylenol. So this coupon is a $2 off any Tylenol, any adult Tylenol. I used this coupon on Tylenol before. Sometimes they scan, sometimes they don't. It really depends on what Dollar Tree you go to. If it scans, it'll adjust down to $1. So it'll be free Tylenol this week with that coupon. Coupon is back, 50% off any toilet bowl cleaner. So it'll be 50% with that one. I haven't seen these products there. None of these products there. I haven't seen any of those. Okay, the Russell Strovers, we had some during Christmas. I don't know if it's still some available, but $1 off 2 boxes. They got to be 4 ounces or larger. I'm not sure what ounces there are. I'll check when I get in there. And Russell Stover eggs, buy 1 egg. You got to buy 4 and then you get 1 egg free. I don't know if that's a good deal, but if you want to use that coupon. Here's the Colgate coupon for 50 cents off any Colgate toothpaste. So with that coupon, the toothpaste will be 50 cents. Ragu, they sell Ragu at my Dollar Tree. I just got to catch it. It's one of those items you got to catch. It'll be 60 cents off 2. So $1.40 for 2 bottles of Ragu. This Glade say 1 Glade plug-in scented warmer. They don't sell those there. Oh, $1 off any 2 Glade products. Oh, okay. But it excludes the 8-ounce spray. So I think at the Dollar Tree, the spray is for 8 ounces. It excludes that. Sometimes I still use this coupon, to be honest. Sometimes it scans and I still use it, but I don't know. I don't know. I'll see when I get there what it does. All right, that's the end of the Smart Source number 2. The next one that we have is the Retail Me Not number 2. Get this Purex for 99 cents at Walgreens this week, so make sure you grab the Purex from there. Okay, $1 off 2 milk chocolate peanut. All right, so that'll be 50 cents each if your Dollar Tree has that ounces for those Mars peanut butter. What is it? M&M's. All right, so this Barilla pasta, $1 off when you buy any package of Barilla Colazone pasta, including Tortellini products. Now, let me see. So, I guess you can get regular. Let me see. Yeah, so you can get a regular box too, because it say any package of Barilla Colazone pasta, so or Tortellini products. So, you can also use this at the Dollar Tree. It'll be free with this coupon. $1 off any package of Barilla. Free with that coupon. Now, this Suave Professional shampoo or conditioner product, I'm not sure if they sell this at my Dollar Tree. Professionals is usually the one that's more expensive than the one they sell at the Dollar Tree. But I'll check that out when I get there and see if it works on that product at the Dollar Tree. Kellogg's, $1 off any 3 Kellogg's cereal, 8 ounce. I've never tried that coupon before. Maybe I'll try it and see if it works. All right, so that's the end of the Retail Me Not. Now I'm going to go through some coupons that I printed off coupons.com that I'm going to use this week. Again, I'm more excited. I'm excited about the Dollar Tree, but I'm more excited about couponing at, I think, CVS. And then I think I'm also going to go to Target. I might do an Ibotta haul this week. I'm not sure. I'll let you know. But I know I'm going to CVS for sure tomorrow. And I'm doing a trick off Tuesday for Dollar Tree. So I'll keep you all updated. And I'll try to squeeze in an Ibotta haul. I might put that up either today or tomorrow. Well, this is going up today. So I might put my Ibotta haul up tomorrow. Trick off Tuesday up Tuesday. And then maybe a CVS haul up Wednesday. So I'm going to try to start getting these videos up a little bit more. I'm still working my seasonal job, so it's a little bit hard, but it lightened up a little bit, so I'll be able to go out a little bit more this next upcoming weeks. All right, so these Stacy's pita chips, I love this coupon. It's a $1.50 off 2, making them a quarter a piece. This scrubbing bubbles, that takes 50 cents off. I'm going to try this Kellogg's Corn Pops Apple Jacks. They don't sell neither one of those at Dollar Tree. I've never seen Apple Jacks, Corn Pops, or Craves. I don't think that works there. This Dollar Fruit Loops. I'm going to try this coupon because I'm tired of picking up Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I'm going to see if this coupon works on the bags at Dollar Tree, and I'll let you all know. I've never seen Ban, Listerine, no. Listerine. Alright, so this is the $2 off any adult Tylenol coupon in a printable version. Nope. 50 cents off any 2 boxes of the Nature Valley granola. Sometimes they carry the 5-count boxes, so they'll be 75 cents per box if you have this coupon here and you sell that quantity. Yo Play, here's the one in printable version, 50 cents on 5. I don't know if that's a great deal. I really don't do those. Nope, I haven't seen CoverGirl. This is the printable version of the Jergens Moisturizer, 5 ounces or larger. So that's the coupon for that. Last time I think this coupon scammed for me. Yeah, I've never seen any Glade jar candles. I don't think they sell those at the Dollar Tree. I've never seen any. This Hormel's corned beef hash. I've seen that in my Dollar Tree before. Of course, that's a hit and miss, but I'll look and see if they sell that there. It'll be 50 cents. It'll be $1 for 2. If they sell it. Here's the printable version of the Garnier Fructis coupon. If they have any more of those treatment masks or whatever, I'm gonna use that on that on there. Nope, none of that color. Here's the $1 off any airborne product. It's in a printable version also. Alright, so this coupon is back. This Anyone Glad food product clean wrap, it's back. It has restrictions on it. I don't know if it works at the Dollar Tree anymore. I used it last time. I don't remember it having any restrictions on the last time, but it does this time. So I got to see if it works on the press and seal again. I got a lot of clean wrap for $1 last time this coupon came out. So it's back. They sell that product at the Dollar Tree. Gushers, 50 cents on 2. This is the printable version of the fruit roll-up coupon. Another Nature Valley, Yo Play, Jergens. Okay, so I'm just repeating. I got all these coupons. Okay. Alright, so those are the coupons that I'm going to be using this week. Again, make sure you stay tuned this week. I'm coming to you with a couple hauls. I'm coming to you with Ibotta, CVS, and of course my Trick Off Tuesday. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you again subscribe to my channel because I show you how to save money, honey. Yes, save your coins in 2020. That's all it's about, is saving money. Quit wasting money on items you can buy with a coupon. And I'm also going to start back doing my beauty tutorials. And I'm just going to show you a lot of good things on my channel. So make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion. And I'm out.